Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on Review into Huck's World. Today we got GS in the building for the holiday weekend, and it's a nice digital fitness watch face that's worthy of a wear for this holiday occasion. All right, with that being said, let's check out this watch face. Now, this one is called GS Digital 17. We got one more to check out by this developer tomorrow, and it is just as nice as this one. Now, looking at this watch face in AOD mode, I love the color of this watch face, and the black background complements it beautifully. Now, once the watch face is on, you got a nice digital watch face. Up at the top, you are going to get Friday, that's the day of this week already, and you're going to get a moon phase in the middle, and also you're going to get your month. You come down, you got a nice big bold legible retro digital time. You're also going to get an AM and a PM stamp. You're going to get animated seconds as well. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your battery percentage, heart rate information, and also you're going to get your steps. And as you can see, I've been doing the thing, 23,000 steps. And you're also going to get your goal completed on this side. So far as the steps are concerned, I'm at 20,000 still. We're not going to change yet. And over here, you got your battery info. So I thought this was definitely a good look for a digital watch face by GS. Now, we're not done yet because, of course, this guy added some features and functions to this watch face, so let's check it out. So I'm going to double tap on the menu, and just in case you don't know where everything is, this lets you know exactly where to tap at to extract the information that you're looking for. With that being said, let's do this, and then let's double tap up at the top, and you can customize the bezel of the watch to whatever you want to customize it to, depending on what you're wearing for the day. And you tap here. Here's where you're going to get your color change. You get tons of colors to customize this to, and I thought it was definitely an awesome look. And also, if I want to, I can double tap in the middle, and I can customize the color theme of the background of this watch face. And I'm telling you, my man really did a good job with this watch face. We're going to cycle through a couple of more just to give you an idea what you're in for when you download this watch face. Now, you can also double tap over here, and it's going to change the texture of the watch face, which I thought was nice. If you could see that on this side, you can also change it some more. Just keep double tapping, and we're not done yet, people. Now, if I tap over here, I can get my water intake. And if I tap over here, I believe this one is for my coffee. And also, I could tap on this plus, and I could set a favorite, and I can tap on the other plus, and I could do the same thing. And I double tap down here. I got another favorite that I can set to make the watch face just that much more convenient, which is cool. My man got down on this watch face. I thought he did his thing. Again, question at the end of the day, what did you think, people? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this awesome watch face by GS. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.